Hi everyone, my name is Gazi and I'm the CEO and co-founder of LeadSniperz, and in this video I'm going to be showing you what LeadSniperz is and how to use it. So yeah, this is our homepage and I believe you have already signed up. If you haven't, just go to sign up and then you can simply sign up. No credit card needed by default. It doesn't matter what package you choose. You get 1 day of free trial just to test out the system and see for yourself, see the power of the system for yourself. So yeah, when you have signed up and activated your account via email, then you have to log in. I'm going to show you, and this is our awesome dashboard that you get. All right, so yeah, so what LeadSniperz is basically we solved all the problems of getting leads with LeadSniperz. So yeah, suppose you're a web designer and you want your service to be heard out there, okay? And there are so many people who need web designing services, right? So what LeadSniperz actually does is, if you let me show you, let me just show you real quick. So there are so many people who need web designing services. They want you to build websites for them, they will pay you. So LeadSniperz helps you find those targeted people on the internet, all over the internet, social media platforms, search engines. I'm going to show you a real quick example. If you have a lot of options over here, we have really cool features, but the one that you will use the most is this one, search engine. Over here you click on it and then a page like this will appear, and what these are is basically, these are all my previous search results. Alright, so as you can see, I searched for the keyword network marketing. I got like 369 emails. I'm going to show you what all that means in a moment. So yeah, just click on new search and then just input your keyword. Suppose your keyword is web design. Alright, you're a web designer, you want your service to be heard out there, you want more customers, so you type in web design. Over here you select search engine, either you can select Google or Bing, doesn't matter, but I'll select Google for now. Over here we have social network. This is an amazing feature. You can select from all these various options, but I'm going to choose Facebook for now. And let's go over to email provider. So over here we have a lot of options as well, but right now I'm going to choose gmail.com. What this basically means is that you will be getting emails off gmail.com. So yeah, you'll see for yourself when you use it. So don't worry if it doesn't make sense right now. Just use it and see it for yourself. Alright, so this is geotargeting. You can target any specific country. So suppose you're from United States and you want to target, you want people's emails from United States related to web design, you want your web designing services. You can just go ahead and click United States, and you can even target languages, but I'm going to keep it to any language right now. And over here, there's a search range. What this means is basically, as you can see over here, it's written 0 to 1. But that means that LeadSniperz is going to search for pages 0 to 1. Basically means that it's going to search only one page of Google and Facebook.com for your keyword web design and find people based on your keyword. Alright, and this option is really important right here, guys. Use proxy server. This is really important, and why, I'm going to show you in a little bit in a moment. Just hold on. So proxy, what proxy basically is a list of IP addresses. If you click on it, a text box will appear, or just like this. You can paste all your IPs in, and I'm going to show you where to get the proxies from, which company we have partnered with, so don't worry about that. So these are listed, and I'm going to show you it. It will all make sense in a moment. So I'm going to click on start scraping, and you will see an error just like that. Search engine has caught you, please rest some time. So what this means is, if you don't use proxy, and we highly recommend that you use proxy, doesn't matter, you have to use proxy to get the best results. Why? Because if you don't, your IP address, you don't have multiple 10 IP addresses like this, right? You only have one IP address, and if that gets blocked, because Google is very smart, guys, Google is going to block your IP within a few moments if you keep on scraping too much. Alright, so if you have one IP, only one IP, alright, and if it gets blocked, our system is gonna throw you this error, search engine has caught you. So, and after that, you have to wait a few hours till your IP changes, and then you can scrape again. But that's bad, right? That's too bad. So that's why you need to use Proxy. What Proxy is a list of IP addresses, just like this. As you can see, I have a bunch, like 10 of these. So it's a list of IP addresses. So on top of my IP, when I'm scraping emails using LeadSniperz, when LeadSniperz is scraping emails, when I input these proxies, these IP addresses over here, it's gonna use all these IP and not my IP address. So these are like 10 IP addresses. So there are 90%, 95% chances are that you're not gonna get blocked any sooner. All right, I used proxies just now, as you just saw, and it showed me this error. It's because these proxies are no more valid. I've been using them for about like 2 months, and while I was creating LeadSniperz, while we were like testing out LeadSniperz before it was even launched. So all these proxies are not valid. These are dead. All right, so that's the reason it showed me this error. But let me show you if I use a new proxy. Alright, so I'm going to click on start scraping now. And just wait a few seconds and you'll see the power of the tool. Alright, so I'm going to wait a couple more seconds. Or actually, I'm just going to refresh the page, just so it doesn't confuse you. Alright, so keyword, I'm gonna type in web design. You can type in any keyword, and that was our aim while we were creating LeadSniperz. We wanted something that works for everything, every business niche. So it doesn't matter what industry you're in, it works for everything. Okay, targeting United States. And now I'm gonna click on start scraping, and no more error, as you can see. And no more waiting few hours to get our IP unblocked and then scrape again. So you get the idea, right? And in the next video, I'm going to be showing you where to get proxies from and how to use them. All right, how to register and how to get all of that, all of these IP addresses. So don't worry about that. Just keep watching the training videos and you'll learn a lot. So we'll wait a few more seconds and you should see a lot of emails. Alright, here we go. So as you can see, everything is related to web design over here. And now the question in your mind is that whether these emails are valid or not, real people or not, right? I'm going to show you. We have this feature called email validation check, which is going to tell you if these emails are valid or not. I mean active or not. So just paste all of these emails over here and then click on start searching. 99.9% of the emails of the leads that LeadSniperz provide you is valid. So you have the proof over here. You can just go ahead and click on download valid emails, and it's going to download you the file, which you can later on import it to your autoresponder, you know. So yeah. Also, one more thing, if you get a lot of duplicate emails when you are scraping in the results, you can use our duplicate email filter. It works the same way as email validation checker. You just paste the emails in and just click on start searching. As you can see, there was one duplicate email, so boom. Then you can click on download. It's gonna download you a CSV file or text file, which you can then later on like import it to your autoresponder. And in the next few videos, I'm gonna be showing you real proof of me importing these lists into my autoresponder. All right. So yeah, that's it for the first video, guys. I hope you find real good value in it, and if you have any questions, we have a support center over here. You can just click on it. It's going to take you to our support desk. Then you can submit a ticket, and then we are very active. So yeah, we are going to reply you within like a few minutes or so. So yeah, we have a lot more cool features to check out, guys. All these features we are going to post in our blog. Alright, blog.leadsniperz.com, and you can check them out. But the one that you will be using the most is search engine. This is the scraper. Alright, this one right here is the scraper. So that's the one you're going to be using the most. And like I said, doesn't matter what industry you're in, what niche you're in, works for anything. Let me show you one more example. I'm in the make money online niche, so my keyword would be affiliate marketing. Alright, I click on Google, I select Facebook, emails from gmail.com. this time I'm selecting pages 1 to 5, so it's gonna give me 5 pages result, 5 pages worth of results. So I'm gonna keep it to worldwide for now. Alright, so I'm gonna paste in my proxies. Really, guys, once again, using proxy is highly recommended. Alright, we highly recommend it. If you can see over here, we highly recommend using proxies with our system. If you don't, bad luck. You're gonna be in bad luck, real bad luck, because Google is gonna, our system will block your IP. You won't be able to use it anymore. So yeah, use proxies, and don't worry if you're on free trial period. You can use it. You can use our scraper up to 2 times, and if you use it just 2 times, it's not gonna block your IP. So it's all good. All right, when you upgrade, use proxy. So one more time, I'm gonna click on start scraping, and we wait a few seconds for the system to give out fresh hot leads. Alright, so 2 out of 5 pages completed. Let's wait a few more seconds. Alright, as you can see, we have a lot of emails coming in already. Right? If you want, you can check these emails are valid or not. Like I said, 99.9% of the emails our system provides is valid. I showed you the proof, real proof. So yeah, just one more page to go, and then I will download the CSV file to later import it to my autoresponder. Alright, so it's done. Yes, it's done. See, 5 pages. And you can just simply click on download emails. It's going to download your CSV file, as you can see over here. So simple, right? And now I'm going to show you how many emails we generated within a few seconds. Check this out. The top one, I just searched this one, affiliate marketing on Google and Facebook. 296 leads, guys. 296 hot, fresh business leads. Now I can go ahead, email them, profit more. So this is LeadSniperz, guys. I'm signing off, and wait for the next training video. Keep following whatever I do and do the same, and you'll profit more. So yeah, scrape, email, and profit, guys. I'm signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.